Hi there, welcome to Neppy Invest. One of the reasons why I don't personally invest in story stocks, and what I mean by story stocks, is those companies that have zero revenue. They have a story and they will market that story to the investing community quite well, saying, well, we have this potential. Are you willing to give us more and more money so we can realize that potential, that promise? And unfortunately, the vast majority of story stocks don't make it. That is one reason why I'm not willing to part my money into these sort of companies. On occasion, I will, but mostly I won't. Another reason I won't invest my money into these story stocks is because a lot of times the outcome of any sort of drilling they're doing for mining exploring companies or any phase one, phase two, phase three trials they are doing, that outcome can be quite binary. And what I mean by binary is the share price could rise over 100% in one day or drop over 50% in one day on the back of the outcome of those results. And this particular story has played out for a company on the ASX called Fire Brick Pharma, ticker code FRE. Now, I have done no research on this company because it is a story stock, but this is the homepage. And to be honest with you, this is the first time I have looked at what they did, and it does sound intriguing. So I can see why investors might be interested in this company. So Firebrick Pharma has developed a breakthrough nasal spray medicine that targets the viral cause of the common cold. So if they are successful with what they want to do with this new technology, wow, what an amazing story this will be. And more than likely, this will be a highly successful company. So the whole reason I'm talking about Firebrick Pharma today is because on the 11th of September, this company went into a trading halt pending an announcement about the results of its phase three common cold trial. Now, I did not look or see this particular trading halt because I don't follow this company well at all. But I did notice when I looked at the worst and best performing companies on the ASX, this company was at the top of one of those. So, was this phase three trial successful or not? So, let's have a look at the announcement in regards to these results. An announcement the company released on the 13th of September. And here it is. So, this is talking about how they have completed their analysis of the headline results of the phase three trial of the Nasodine nasal spray. The analysis has shown that the trial did not meet its primary endpoint. So that's all you really have to know. And straight away, that should give an indication which way the share price of this company went on the 13th of September. And I went through the rest of this announcement, and it seems like they were quite shocked about this announcement. In fact, on this bottom paragraph here on this first page, the company is concerned that results are so confounding, unexpected, and at odds with previous data that there may be a systematic error or other issue in the data. And a detailed analysis is now underway to try to identify any causes of such an error. And right at the bottom here, the last sentence, at this time, there is no evidence that the placebo and Nasodine treatments were switched during production, distribution, or treatment. So obviously, this was a massive shock to investors and possibly a massive shock to, did I say, this was a massive shock to the company and more than likely a massive shock to investors based off what the share price is doing today. So what is the share price doing today? Well, here it is. And I'm recording this video at 3:30 p.m. and the share price at this point in time is down 79%. 79%. And what is really interesting in regards to Firebrick Pharma's chart, so this company lists on the ASX back in, looks like, start of 2022. So it hasn't been around long, and the share price was in a downtrend. But just before the release of these results, the share price had moved into an uptrend. So it seemed like maybe the market was expecting some good news. In fact, the share price went from about 15 cents to a high of 36 cents in a fairly short period of time. And now the share price is down 79% on huge volume. That's the other thing. So this is obviously pretty bad news. May not be the end of the line for the company because of this confusion in the results by management. Maybe there was some problems in the phase three trials. Who knows? But this is a step in the wrong direction for Firebrick Pharma. Maybe an opportunity for shareholders who believe in this technology, who think eventually this technology will be successful But at this point in time, whenever I see the share price down 79%, I will always stay clear. So if you are a shareholder of this company, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Were you surprised by these results? And what are you going to do with your shares? Otherwise, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is, what's a word? Who is has qualifications and can speak to your own needs. So that's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.